Well, hello, and what in the world is this? Well, if you're new here, this is a Hibagon, a Japanese Bigfoot, the corpse of a Japanese Bigfoot, found on or around Mount Hiba, which gives its name to the Hibagon, the Hiba monster. And this is in the northern part of Hiroshima Prefecture. I'm Kyle. I live 3 hours away in Fukuyama. I'm trying to learn all we can about this creature and share and compare notes with our friends in North America and everywhere on this beautiful earth. So I've been looking at this friend of ours for a few days, trying to commune with him, trying to coax something out of him, and he isn't talking. He is not speaking to me. And I'm kind of speechless. I don't know what to say. In my book, I discuss the different features, but you can see it as well as I can. And really, it left my experts pretty much speechless. 4 doctors, 3 dentists, a veterinarian, and a primatologist all agreed, yeah, it's a real body. But no one could identify it. Well, except the hematologist who said it must be the Hibagon, and the pediatric surgeon who said it's got to be the Hibagon, and the veterinarian who said, what can it be but the Hibagon? Now, the others didn't really want to go there, but they had no other or better explanation. The primatologist brought up mutation. Well, all right, mutation of what? What species? He didn't want to go there. Well, I guess the teeth are the main feature for me. The teeth are very human. They're too big to be human, but they're human in shape and number. They are not like gorilla teeth and not like chimpanzee teeth. They look like massive human teeth. Now, traditional Japanese names for this creature show an ambivalence between animal and human comparisons and local leanings. In the West, here, traditional names use characters for monkey or beast. Up east and north, traditional names make use of the character for man. Eyewitness accounts vary too. Some report it looking like a gorilla or like a gigantic monkey, but others tell us that what they saw was very close to human. Our friend RC right here has tried 2 reconstructions, a more animal-looking, more supple and lithe creature, and a more human-looking, more bulky, beefy version. We are trying to find an eyewitness who could take a look at these 2 versions. Now, here in Japan and also in North America, we have accounts of forced interbreeding. Hibagon Bigfoot males abducting and forcing themselves on human females, producing sometimes viable offspring. The teeth, for me, go a long way toward confirming this. I already believe these women and their stories. I think the teeth and the interbreeding go together. And of course, we have Bigfoot DNA analyses from America finding a hybrid species resulting from specifically males from an unknown hominin species crossing with specifically female Homo sapiens. So, DNA, victim accounts, and here the very human teeth all coming together. These teeth are black, and we believe that might be because of iron overload. Mount Hiba and the region being rich in iron sand, which gets into the food chain everywhere, and peaks in this apex omnivore. We would not expect Hibagon everywhere to have black teeth. We think this is a local environmental thing. Okay. I will once again thank the anonymous source who shared these photos, Fuji TV, for broadcasting them. And you, please share these with your favorite Bigfoot or Sasquatch expert or researcher or podcaster. As far as I know, these are our only confirmed photos of a Bigfoot, Sasquatch, Hibagon cadaver. This should be big news. Now, I'm sorry, these videos might be spacing out more as I wind down the year and get ready for Christmas and Japanese New Year. I'll try not to space them out too much. I'll try to keep it going at 2 or 3 a week. Next year, early next year, I think I'm going to take a sabbatical. Yeah, I'm going to walk away from YouTube for a couple of months and put my next book in order. Put it out, and then come right back with a brand new video series. We had a terrific campfire on Friday with this new piece of campfire kit. It's called a tagine from Morocco. Well, the whole Maghreb. This one is made in Japan, and boy, oh boy, is it efficient. I made chicken in it on Friday, and on Sunday I made lamb. Well, Christmas is coming. Let me tell you what I hope. I hope that every stocking around the fireplace in every house in the land is going to be crammed full of copies of Hibagon Japanese Bigfoot. Yeah, that is my Christmas wish. Now you have a good day. I love you, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.